Okay, me again. Alright, so this is basically ABS Sunblue, yeah, Sunblue ABS like. As you can see, I use my standard printing whatsoever settings, and there we go. Just put it into warm water a little bit, bend this too. Let me just the female part, bend it, and it clicked in, and there we go, and there's the feet of the turtle, and I'm happy with it. Now I can proceed finishing all, so you all see the results in the end of the day, of the end, when I'm done printing the turtles. I have to print 4 of them, all 4 for a guy. So yeah, so I'm busy now with ABS Sunblue like. So yeah, go get it. For you guys that want to do this articulations, trust me, get Sunblue ABS Lite and you won't be disappointed. Like I said, I don't trust Algu ABS Lite because that's up to shit. That I can promise you now. It gives off powder. This doesn't give up off powder, and that I can promise you. So yeah, there's my feet, the turtle. So I think I put it into the wrong feet, the toes on the wrong side, so but it doesn't matter. That's just to show you the articulation does work on Sunday ABS Live for you guys.